Sabi ko, I heard the same thing from a DFA insider. Invited nga daw si VP Inday at saka si PRD. And it was Malacanang that confirmed that walang invitation si PBBM. So let's make that clear, okay? Ulitin ko. An insider from the DFA informed me that there is an invitation for PRD and for VP Inday. As to para maliwanag na wala tayong personal knowledge and there is no term na confirm. Hindi natin kino-confirm yan. If the word confirmed was mentioned at nagkamali yung nag-post, I want to clarify that now. No, I cannot confirm that. I can confirm that I heard the same thing from an insider in the DFA. Okay, uulitin ko. Kasi may magtatanong na naman na late dumating at sasabihin, totoo ba to? Hindi totoo kasi ang sinasabi ko is, I heard the same thing from an insider in the DFA. Okay? Ibig sabihin, may source na nagsabi. Hindi ako ang nagsabi. Bakit natin kinaklaro? Kasi endangered ngayon ang freedom of speech. Dahil nananakot ang Congress, hindi tayo magpapatakot. But we also want to be very, very clear about what we say and what we mean. Pagka mayroong kayong gagamitin na quote at hindi kayo sure, you can always ask. Because ang pattern, ang design ng Luminous Live is question and answer. So pwede kayong magtanong. So you can actually say, Ma'am, confirmed ba yan? Sasabihin natin na, confirmed na sinabi ito ng DFA insider. Okay? Kasi di-imbitado si Alan Dave. So, ito yung nakikita ko madalas. Sabi ni Alan Dave, tinanggal niya ang mga Duterte sa NSC kasi di-imbitado sa inauguration ni President Trump. Kasi si Trump hanga noon kay FPRD. Doon pa naman sana mag-excel si BBM kasi party-party yon. Okay. Well, I can say that yes, one of my sources at the Department of Foreign Affairs has confirmed to us that both VP Inday and the former President Duterte are invited to the inauguration of President Trump. The President Bongbong Marcos is not invited, nor is any of his family.